Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to view and download the Fresa Gold active user list in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the My Reports module. Here, we have to select the Fresa Gold active user list menu. After clicking the Fresa Gold Active User List menu, now the list of active users will be displayed on the screen. Here, we can download the user list by clicking the download button. This is how to view and download the Fresa Gold Active User List in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.